Margin was down, and we said it's probably going to go down a little bit further. Just competition in the mortgage book in particular. We're seeing new mortgages written at a lower rate than some of the maturing mortgages. And the other thing is, with very low interest rates, our return on capital's fallen, and deposit prices are pretty low and unlikely to go lower. So net, the margin fell, and we indicated that it's probably going to fall next year as well.
How much further are you expecting it to fall over the next 12 months?
Well, that'll depend on competition and rates, and certainly if we look at the 3-year swap rate, it's come up quite materially. 35 basis points back in March this year, 140 right now, so it's up over 1%. So I think we're, in terms of interest rates, we're probably past the low points and they're starting to head up again.
Your mortgage book did grow 3% though over the year. That must be a positive for you. How much have you invested in quickening up the access someone can get a home loan? How much faster is that process now?
Yeah, certainly mortgages has been a focus from a speed perspective. And in fact, we grew owner-occupied mortgages, so that's people living in their own home, strongly. We've invested in a digital mortgage process, and now you can get for a simple mortgage, you can get a yes unconditionally in 2 days. 1 day is if you've got all your documents. So those investments are paying off, and we certainly feel like we're back in the market in terms of processing times. That capability will be rolled out to brokers in 2022, so it's already started. And so we'll have the brokers benefiting from what our first party's already benefiting from in terms of processing times.
What's the outlook for rate hikes from the RBA? Is it still 2024?
Well, we got the market's really saying 2022. If we look at what they're thinking, some economists are saying 23 and others are saying 24. So it's probably somewhere in the middle if you average it out. But certainly inflation is going up around the world. We have seen some increase in Australia, but I think the RBA will be looking for sustained inflation and wage growth before they move rates.